Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Ipsy Plus for August. Do you want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my August Ipsy Plus finally decided to arrive. It was in transit for like 7 days without any movement, and then it finally decided to start moving again, and I just received it today. So better late than never. If you guys do not know, Ipsy Plus is $25 a month with free shipping. And let's cut the tape here and see. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And it always says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And this time I have the yellow. Normally it's blue, but I got yellow. And that is what it looks like inside. So let me go ahead and remove the card. It says August 2019, Bear Yourself. And wait. This is not my normal card that goes over my products. And there's nothing else in here. So I'm going to have to look up the items and I'll insert the pricing when I go through them because I have nothing to go off of. That's weird. I don't think I've ever not got a card in my Ipsy Plus, but there's always a first time for everything. So let's go ahead and just start looking through the box blindsided. Okay, now I did redeem a few points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I did redeem some points and I got the body butter cream. That is one thing that I redeemed for my points. And let's see, triple citrus blend. And then I got this and this is Blackout by Sugar. This should be an eyeliner. Yes, there is an eyeliner. There's that. So these two items I redeemed by points. So this is not a part of my actual bag. These I actually redeemed last month, so they came in this month's bag. I know when I did open last month, I was like, I redeemed points, but I don't see anything. Well, here they are. Okay, so now what came in this month's bag? The first item right here is by It Cosmetics, and it says Bye Bye Foundation. Full coverage moisturizer, SPF 50, clinically tested, hydrating, and anti-aging with 3D Skin Flex. Is this an actual foundation? I've never got a foundation in, and it's in the color of light. I've never got an actual foundation from them. And that is what it looks like, not for individual sale. So there's the packaging right there. Let me just put it on the outside of my hand. It's kind of a little, I think it's a little bit, I mean, I can see a difference. It's a little bit darker, so I don't know how it's going to be on me. That's weird that they would put in a color choice because you can definitely see a huge difference there. So I don't know if this is actually going to match. That is definitely darker. There's a difference. So I don't know how that's going to look on my face. I normally don't use foundation, but I'll give it a try and see if it's light. I don't know what would even been lighter, but this looks like it might be a little bit too dark for my face. Well, you will have to see, but you can see the huge, yeah, this is also the foundation right there as well. So yeah, let me get that off my hands. Okay, so one of my subscribers put a comment on my video, said that she wonders how many people are liking this product knowing that there's actually some type of a snail situation in there. And I'm like, wait, what? And on the second ingredient says snail secretion. It says snail, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it says snail secretion. So for all of you guys that got this, and if you put it on, you put snail secretion on your face. It's supposed to be very good. Snail secretion is supposed to be very good for your face. I haven't put anything on. So this is the first time that snail secretion has touched my actual skin, and it was the top of my hand. So she is very right, 100%. This has the second ingredient is snail secretion. Fruit for thought. That is funny. Okay, so there is the first item. Did I put this? Yeah, I put the lid back on. So there's the first item. The second item is by Release, and this is the Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer with SPF 30 sunscreen, protects and moisturizes, absorbs easily, no white tint, preps skin for makeup. Oh, so you can put this on before you put your makeup on as well. So there is the actual package. Let's get this thing opened. It's a very pretty blue. I love that color. There's that. Safety seal. And it's just a white cream, and I don't smell anything at all. Nope, I don't really smell anything at all. And this is a good brand, so I'm really excited to try that out. So then the next item we have in here is by Sundays, number 44. And let's see. Okay, this is a nail polish. And it's like a light, I don't even know, a yellowish, brownish, greenish color. I don't know what you would consider that. But I don't do nails, so I'll go ahead and put this aside for a future giveaway, and hopefully one of you guys will enjoy that color. So there's item number 3. Next is something I'm actually excited about, is a set of Farah brushes. It says Be Beautiful, Be You, and it's in this really pretty package. So let's get them out. And there are those. I like the handles. I like the teal green, and then it fades down to like a limeish greenish color, or like a yellow actually. Fades down to like a yellow, but there's that. Those are so pretty, and yeah, I like those. So again, I'm gonna have to put pricing. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find these. I'm gonna try my best to find everything and see what the pricing would be. Especially I like to give you a total value at the end, so we know what the $25 was paid, what the value return was. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research. But those are really nice brushes. I really do like those. And then the last item here is by, the box is trying to fly off my desk, is by The Balm. And this is In the Balm of Your Hand. How cute. In the Balm of Your Hand. Greatest Hits Volume 2. And they always have really fun packaging. Let's see here. So there's the outside, is just like the front of it. There is a mirror on the top, and here are all of the colors. So it looks like there's the shadows, and then these would be blush. This one says a bronzing powder, but one of you guys did tell me, because I don't do a whole lot with bronzers definitely, or blushes, but you guys said I can use those as shadows. So I'll probably just use this for an eyeshadow palette. So let me go ahead and swatch them for you guys. Okay, you guys, so here are the eyeshadows. There's the bronzer, and then those are the 3 blushes. So that is very pretty. I actually can't wait to do an eye look with these colors. And then I'm gonna probably incorporate those blushes as a shadow. I mean, it says that it's it says a shadow / blush. So I'm definitely going to use them as an eyeshadow instead. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in my Ipsy Plus. We got the Balm palette, which I'm going to assume, I won't know until I look it up, but I'm going to assume that this bad boy is already worth the $25 or more. Then we have a Sundays brand nail polish. We have the set of 5 brushes from Farah, which these are just really, really gorgeous. I really love the handles. And yeah, so we have a set of 5 brushes. We have the Pearlie's Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer. And then we have this snail secretion filled foundation. So I don't know if this is gonna be my color or not. It says light, but it looks a little too dark, but I'm gonna try it and we'll see. And then my bonus points, but that wasn't a part of it. So comment down below, you guys, do you get this? What variations did you have? Now, all of the different variations for the plus box would be right here. So again, that is what the whole variations would have been between your profiles, based on your profile, what they would have sent you for the 5 items. I'm really excited about the palette, 100%. That's what I'm most excited about. The next would be this particular item, and then the brushes, then the snail secretion situation is the last. Oh, and then the nail polish. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Again, comment down below, let me know, do you get this? Are you wanting to get this? If you did you get a different variation? Are we box twins? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world. I'm a little disappointed I did not get the card because that's what I go off of, and I love having the card because it gives you more information about the product, and they also put all the pricing and everything on it. So I'm a little bummed out, but that's not gonna make or break the situation. It's just one time, things happen. Again, there's a first time for everything. So again, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't done so already. I greatly appreciate that. And then you can see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.